Clean the recovery tank. Drain the wastewater. Take out the filter basket and float cage. Rinse the filter basket and float cage thoroughly with clean water. And install it in place. Drain the fresh water tank. Loosen the yellow nut. Disassemble the special-shaped water baffle. Remove the brush disc. Clean any dirt on the brush. Then rinse the brush with water. Then install it in place. Install the special-shaped water baffle in place. Loosen the yellow nut. Disconnect the vacuum hose. Remove the squeegee. Wipe the squeegee blade with a towel, or rinse it directly with water. Release the latch. Loosen the anti-collision wheel nuts. And remove the 2 anti-collision wheels. Remove the 2 locking plates from the squeegee blade. Then remove the squeegee blade. Then flip the squeegee blade upside down. Then align the holes on the squeegee blade. Then reinstall the 2 locking plates onto the squeegee blade. Finally, lock the latch. Align the 2 anti-rotation wheels. Tighten the screws and nuts. We install the squeegee onto the machine. Tighten the nuts. Insert the vacuum hose. Check if the machine is leaking water. Wipe the machine with multi-purpose cleaner. Charge the battery for more than 30 minutes before charging. Clean the top of the battery to prevent motor corrosion. Also check whether the battery wiring is loose. Inspect and clean the sewage tank cover seal. Spray lubricant on the chain. Spray lubricant on pivots and rollers. Finally, check if all nuts and bolts on the machine are loose.